Hi guys, Missy just had all of her stuff packed up so nicely, and I'm sorry my camera battery just died. But anyways, I haven't been able to upload long videos, so this is, I know it's super short and I wish I could have shown you everything more in detail, but I'm afraid I can't show it all, so I'm just gonna have to go with it for now, and hopefully that the problem will be worked out shortly. But I have to share, she sent awesome goodies. I love this. Is orangey, kind of dark orange, almost brown looking stickles. Purple, oh my gosh, I love it. Cannot have enough of that. This Eek Spider, wow, he's so cute. Ghouls just want to have fun. And then this one, I super love this one. I've seen it used in some tags and stuff, and that's really cute. I love it. And I wanted to share these little flowers. They look like they're homemade crocheted here, don't they? They're so gorgeous. Just love it. And then look at this pen with all the feathers. I just love that. That's just awesome. Did you do that? Or did you buy it like that? That is, I love these feathers. It just makes it. There's a decoration here, and oh my gosh, look at that. It's a little bit up right now, but anyways, it's so cool and spooky. I want to hang it up. And we're having a Halloween party at our school. Maybe I can decorate for that. Look at these little clothespins. They're really, really sweet. You can put them on your album even, or use them on with some tags. That'll be really cool. More purple bling. I love it. Ooh, there's something in a bag here. I'm gonna wait and open that last. And I think these are from the Curio set by Basic Ray, which is really, really cool. These, I love how these ones are put together with the little metal loops on it. Yeah, that's from the Curio collection. And these are upholstery brads, so they look like they're like the pins, you know, that they put in things. That's awesome. That'll be cool for Tim Holtz stuff. And look at this awesome brown bling. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go. Sorry, amateur vid in progress. I'm opening your bag. What did you put in here? If my camera moves by itself. Ooh, I'm curious. Oh, cute. Oh, wow. They're like die cuts and stuff, I think. Okay, it's open now. Oh, that's a neat idea. Wow. So she's put some Tim Holtz tags. She's got Wish, Dream, Hope, Trust. I love it. Love, of course. That's a really nice one. Did you make that by yourself, or did you die cut that? And then these are some cute shapes. They're labels. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. And then these tickets rock. They're like happy faces and wings. That is so cool. Let us know. Please share. Yay. That'll be so much fun to paint, glitter, ink, glimmer mist, whatever you want to do. Oh my gosh. And I forgot. I have to show this because I forgot I was showing it before and then it died. And this looks like it's a rub-on maybe, or I'm not sure. It's really cool, but and it closes around here, and she's inked it because this is the same as here, right? These are stamps, but I think this must be a rub-on then. But isn't that cool? She's done it. She's put little tags and like laugh and all these pieces in here, and she stamped the pages. Oh my gosh, I love that too. You have some awesome stamps, Missy. We'll have to do, oh, so I was saying that I'm so grateful for everything, all the goodies that you sent me, and it was so wonderful to be your partner. So if you ever want to do a personal swap, just let me know. Even if you want to do like an image swap, or like a tag thing, or cards, you know, something kind of low-key, I would love to do that because you have so much talent, and I would really like to you know, do something that was made personally for you, and I'll put 300% in it. Thank you so much, and fill it with goodies from Japan. But it was so much fun. Thank you so much, Sherry, for hosting again, and have a good one, guys. Bye.